talk about tornado.
But before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rizky.
My name is Bella.
My name is Eja.
My name is Raifi.
And I guess you're all wondering how the tornado formed and what caused by tornadoes, so...
Now let's get started. Do you guys know about tornado?
Yes, I know. Tornado is strong spinning wind and thunderstorms clap like a funnel. It is very dangerous and capable of extreme damages. It can strike anywhere, anytime, and cannot be easily predicted.
Tornado usually occur in the daytime and it's from afternoon until evening. It also marked with the hail, followed by thunderstorm, and the sky becomes so dark.
Hail? What is hail?
Who are you? Hail is a type of precipitation or water in the atmosphere. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Tornado mostly moves from southwest to northeast, but it also can be changed into any direction. There are some types of tornado. First is gusnado, second is water spot, and the last is land spot. While some tornadoes move slowly, others can travel over the ground at speed of over 110 miles per hour. The widest tornado ever recorded the May in 2013 El Reno tornado in Oklahoma was 2.6 miles across. Warm moist air typically from the Gulf of Mexico, cool air typically from Canada, and dry air typically from the Rockies. When this air misses collide, they create the perfect condition for a tornado. Nearly 3/4 of the world's tornadoes occur in the United States, and the peak season is between May and June. A majority touch down in Tornado Alley, a section of the central United States, but tornadoes have been recorded in all 50 states and on every continent except Antarctica.
Do you guys know how the tornado formed? Or do you know how the tornado formed?
Yeah, it begins when the sun warms the earth and advances ground temperature, and when the warm moist air and cold air mix, it creates instability in the atmosphere. The relief masses of two air make the wind spin and roll over the slower wind.
And when the winds sustain to form, several warm air raise the twist wind and going upwards and causing the updraft tilts. Then the circle air from horizontal they became vertical. And after that the whirlwind creates. And when the whirlwind touches the ground, the tornado is completely formed and moving in a direction up to 2 to 6 miles and can damage back up until 10 miles or 16 kilometers.
Yeah, tornado mostly occurs during summertime from March to May, and it's in the late afternoon.
Oh really? And it also identified with a dark sky and a sturdy terrain like around the sun.
Tools and materials we need for this experiment are glycerin, candle, jar, a little vessel for the candle, and a fan. And here's the steps. First, pour a little bit glycerin on the vessel. We can't find dry ash to make the smoke, so we use glycerin. Then put the vessel in which the candle is under the glycerin. Boil the glycerin until the smoke came up. Put the jar around it and put the fan above.
That's all our explanation about tornado. Hope you guys understand and know what we're saying.
Thank you guys for watching and
cheerio!
Yo!